Hi guys, I've just got home from work and I'm very excited. The box has arrived, the courier's been, and my Mary Kay order is here, and it has got some of the new makeup and compacts in there. So grabbed a glass of wine, so cheers to you guys. Let's hope I don't drop it or spill it. I've got my box of goodies. So let's see what is in my Mary Kay order this month. Okay, so I can't actually remember what I ordered. So I know there's some stuff that I'm waiting for urgently for some customer orders. So hopefully they're in here. But I did order another of the Love Fearlessly perfume. This one is a customer order. Got oil-free eye makeup remover, so we can never have too many of those. Actually, I think I need to do this a different way. How about this way? Okay, that's better. There's a lot of packaging in here. Okay, so we've got, oh, it's got a bit scrumpled, but it's all right. It's just the packaging. The Age Minimized 3D Day Cream in normal to dry. So this is the one that I've been waiting for my customer. So now I can get that on the courier to her. She's ordered the day and the night moisturizer. We've got the 4-in-1 cleanser in the combination to oily formula. So this one is also a customer order. We've got 3 targeted action body lotions. So we go through bucket loads of this in our house. We just love it. Smells great. Got another oil-free eye makeup remover. I think that one's a stock item. We got a packet of lookbooks because I was out of those. And then I think the rest is all new products for me. So a little bit of a guilty pleasure here. I did order some of the new makeup and I ordered some of the new palettes as well. So as I'm decluttering some of my makeup and my eyeshadows, I want to sort of reorganize them and put them into some palettes so I've got everything in one place. So I'm not sure how I'm going to organize them yet, but I will definitely show you guys once I've done it. But yeah, let's see what I got and what they look like. So first up, I ordered the Pro palette. I haven't seen this. I've only seen pictures of it. So this is the one that I'm thinking I'll try and organize most of my eyeshadows into. Maybe the blushes and bronzers. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. It's beautiful and glossy. Look at that. And it's slim and thin. That was one thing that I wasn't so keen on the other one. It was a bit chunky. This one is beautiful. This is awesome. So this is, I mean, these are all the rage now because you can depot your makeups, and this whole bottom piece here is a magnet and they'll just all sit in there. And what I love about this is there's no wasted space with all the compartments. So you can pretty much put whatever your configuration that you want. So very, very versatile. It's only $28 empty, so really, really affordable. So yeah, really excited to fill that with my makeup. And then I got another one. I did a wee splurge one and I got the rose one, which is limited edition, slightly smaller. And I have seen this one, and it is absolutely stunning. So this is what it looks like. Just, it's beautiful and glossy. It's got a sort of a puffy feel to it. Almost a 3D holographic effect to it. Absolutely beautiful. And then inside, I'll try not to blind you with the mirror, it's got 2 compartments there. So each compartment could either be 2 blushes, a highlighter and a bronzer, 3 eyeshadows, 6 eyeshadows. There's all sorts of configurations you could do for this one. So yeah, that one was a wee splurge just for me, because I really liked it, and if you really like it, why not have it? It's part of the benefit of being a Mary Kay consultant too. And I think this one was $25 New Zealand. You can get the plain black, the same as the Pro palette, but in this size, and they are $22. But I just really, really loved that rose embossing on there. Then what else did I get? I got some more eye primer because, as you all know, I am obsessed with eye primer and I cannot do without it. So that's a stock item. I got one of these new blending brushes, so I was quite intrigued. Have you guys tried these yet? What do you think? What do you use it for? Do you use it for foundation? For blending, maybe? I'm not sure. It looks like a giant toothbrush. This is what it looks like. So it's beautiful and soft. It's very, very dense and very, very fine bristles. It almost feels like velvet. They are so packed into that brush. And it's a plastic handle. I really like that. It feels nice and sturdy, and there's no movable parts, so it's not going to break and come apart. It is really dense and it is really soft. So I'm going to have to read up and see which is the best way to use this. It's a bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, but it would be really nice for really blending out things, and it would also be really nice for foundation, I think, too. So leave in the comments below, do you have this brush and what are you using it for? What's your favorite thing? Because everyone's got such great ideas. It's always awesome to see everyone sharing the different ideas. Then last but not least, I got some makeup items. Oh, I forgot that I'd ordered this. So I got, it's kind of cute, what is this? This is, I don't know what you call this, a powder puff. It's the new one. They're little squares like this, obviously designed to go in the compacts for pressing powder onto your cheeks. So at the moment I have the little brushes, but I thought it would be quite nice to have a puff just to see what they were like. And then I got 3 new colors. I got the Latte Bronzer. Oops, luckily it's padded box. I got the blush in Rogue Rose, and I got the highlighter in Honey Glow. It's always good to have a glass of Shiraz when you're opening your Mary Kay products. Okay, so what I tried to do was, because I've obviously already got a whole ton of makeup, I didn't want to get things that were similar to what I already had, but I really, really wanted to try the new formulas so that I can talk about them to my customers. So I tried to get ones that weren't similar to anything that I had. So for the bronzer, I got Latte, which is the lighter one. It looks like that. So that looks really nice, very matte and very neutral looking. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And then for the highlighter, I got Honey Glow, which was actually the deeper shade of the 2 that we've got. So it looks like that. It's definitely different to any other highlighters that I already have. But I almost thought too that for me, possibly it could be quite a soft, sort of a blushy colour as well, because I am so pale in winter. So we'll see how I go with that one. And then for the blush, that one was quite hard because most of them have got, the new colours have got a old formula colour that they're very similar to. So I definitely wanted to get something a bit different to what nothing I already had. So what was it? Rogue Rose looks like this. So it's a very pretty pink. It's not a shimmer and it's not a matte. It's kind of got like a bit of a sheen to it. So I'm really excited to try that. Let me just quickly try them all on my backs of my hands so I can show you. Whoa, the highlighter. So this is what they all look like. So there's the bronzer in Latte, and that is beautiful. It's definitely a matte and a very pretty soft color. The highlighter, wow. Definitely I could get away with using it as a soft blush, but you could definitely use it as like a gold sort of topper over the top of a blush if you've got one, just to alter it and do something a little bit different. And then that's the blush in Rogue Rose. That's really pretty. That's exactly what I was looking for. So hopefully you can see those on the backs of my hands. So there you go, guys. That was my Mary Kay order for May for now so far. You know the story though. As soon as you've placed your order, suddenly customers will start ordering something else and you end up having to place a second one. But that's what I've done for so far. And like I say, I'm going to start organizing my makeup, and as I'm going through my weekly makeup baskets and figuring out what I'm keeping and what I'm tossing, I'm going to start building those palettes just to organize everything so that I've got all the colors in one place, because at the moment they're in multiple palettes, they're still in their little compacts, they're everywhere. So hopefully this will help me figure out what I've got and make sure that I don't double up on anything either. So I hope you're all having a really great week, and I look forward to talking to you all soon. Thanks guys, bye.